In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix a frozen or stuck Amazon Fire TV stick. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Firstly, if an application isn't loading, what you could go ahead and do is try ahead and go ahead and uninstall and then install it again. So go over to your settings, you're going to see a lot of different things here. Go over to applications like so, then just use your PIN that you used whenever you set up your account. It's going to say manage installed applications, so go ahead and press that right there, and then it's going to show all the different things that you have installed. So now you're going to have options here. You can either press the pause and play menu to uninstall them, or you can also clear the cache. So what I'd recommend doing firstly is clearing the cache by pressing your rewind button. Once you press that, it's going to say clear Amazon Music cache, press confirm, and then go ahead and back out from there. You can clear all application caches as well, and it's going to say it's going to free up that much storage. So if you haven't done this in a while, I'd recommend maybe doing this like once a month or something like that. And then what you could do is go back and try your applications again. Next, I want you to go ahead and test your internet on any other device, because it might be an internet issue you're having. If it's not though, what I want you to do is go back to your settings, go to My Fire TV. Then what you can do is go ahead and go all the way down and restart your Fire TV, and then everything should be working properly once it like restarts and everything. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe, and also check out our other Fire TV stick videos on the channel.